both of my GPU fans stopped spinning, but the GPU itself is working. And the computer works normally unless I'm, playing a video game or video editing or something like that. Then it'll heat up very fast and I'll experience performance issues. So, I worked my way around that by using my laptop cooling fan, the Oplar, and all I did was just put it at the... Oh, watch it here. All I did was just put it right there on the actual fan. As you can see, they're not spinning. And it really isn't even, very lock and barrel there. Fidget it a bit, and then just turn it on max. It gets up to 13. And this thing actually keeps my computer cool. I can play HellDivers2, Elden Ring, all that good stuff. I'm using a 1650 low profile. But yeah, if you've got a working graphics card, but just the fans aren't working, I would highly recommend this. And I also, have a fan blowing on here, but it stabilizes at about 75 Celsius. And the other day, I forgot to turn this thing on, and it got up to, 90 C. Just didn't work. Put this thing on, and it managed to cool it back down and fix the performance issues. So this thing is like $25. I've been wanting to do a video on it, but yeah, highly recommend the Oplar laptop cooler.